Good morning. Busy si Mami Laura naglilinis dito sa balkon. Taran! Mag-isa lang ako kaya naglilinis ako. Walang tao sa bahay, ako lang. Okay, linisin natin kasi maalikabok. Magtubig ako. Ayun guys. Pasensya nakaganito ako kasi mainit. Okay, linis. Hi guys, nakalinis na ako. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Malinis na ang balkon ulit. Wala na yung mga dahon-dahon na nagliparan. Presko na ang balkon, pati mga tanim na diligan ko na. Napuno ko na din yan, thank God. Okay, ako naman na magluluto ngayon. Nanguha ulit ako ng mga gulay-gulay ba. Kasi, asan na yung talbos ng kamote? Ay, saan ko nilagay? Meron akong nakuhang saan ko nilagay? Ay, dito pala. Yung bulaklak ba? Magdingding ulit ako. Kasi, masarap siya kahit walang sahog guys. Masarap, matamis-tamis. So, magluluto na tayo and then, magluluto ako ng palabok. Ayun, first time kong ipatikim ito sa mga bata. And, never ako nagluto, so may nagturo lang sa akin si ate. Thank you ate sa turo mo. Sabi niya, ka Laura, magpalabok ka, magustuhan ng mga bata. Sige ate, i-try ko kahit hindi nakakompleto ang sangkap guys, basta masabing palabok. Ayun, so thank you ate sa suggestion, my lovely ate from America. So anyway, yan, ito na, ibabad ko na siya. Tignan niyo yung mata ko guys. Namumugtumiyak ako gabi. Nagdrama-drama ako. Hindi ako nakatulog 2 o'clock. Kasi hindi ako makapag-decision. Sabi ni Mr. kailangan matanggal yan, Han. Sabi niya, alam nyo. Pero ayoko guys. Sabi ko magpa-test ulit ako. Gusto ko magpa-test ulit guys. Sabi niya sige. Pero tignan namin yung second result guys. Ayoko kahit sabihin nyo na okay lang kahit walang gallbladder. Ayoko guys. Parang may nagsasabi sa akin huwag mong gawin, huwag mong ipatanggal. Kaya follow my hunch, instinct, tama ba yun? Dati gusto ko ang tawag nito na pursigyo naman ako na ipatanggal. Kaya lang isang gabi kasi habang nakahiga ako, nag-iisip ako, parang may umudyok ba na wag kong ipatanggal ganyan, kasi talagang i-schedule na sana ako after ng school ng mga bata, kaso yun na nga, yung ko ba, instinct ba tawag doon, na wag kong gawin. Kaya sabi ko kay Mr. magpa-test ulit kami for the second time. and i-check kung ano yung kung lumaki or ano ba. So yun, anyway, magluluto na tayo kasi parating na ang mga estudyante ko, guys. Malinis na rin ako sa loob. Mabango na rin ulit ang loob. Magdingding ulit tayo. Dinengding. Dinengding. Ayan. So, mamaya ulit guys ha. Magluto lang si Mami Laura. Hello mga kapitbahay. Ito na yung palabok. Semi-palabok ni Mami Laura. Ito yung sauce. Ayan. Mamaya ko ihalo pag andito ang mga bata. And ito na yung dinengding ko guys. Inabraw. Walang sahog. Lagyan ko lang ng asin. Paminta. Laso na yung sibuyas. Kamatis. Oh my God. Sold na ako guys. Ito lang kakainin ko. And then yung palabok pagdating ng mga bata. Kumakain na ako. Ayan. Yung ang tamis. Sobra. Yung alam yung ano fresh siya. Talagang ang malinamnam kahit walang bagoong ba. Asin lang nilagay ko guys. Sobrang sarap. Sold na ako. Oo. Kain po tayo ng dinengdeng. Inabraw pala. Naghimas tagigop ti diguti dinengdeng. Oh guys, nilagyan ko din ng takamote, sitaw, saluyot konti, and then pinisa ko dalawang pirasong malalaking dahon ng saluyot yung sa tanim ko, and then yun, ano pa yung nilagay ko na gulay, kalunay, pinaghalo-halo ko. Bulaklak ng kalabasa. Yung sitaw, yan, tanim ko pala share, inuubos ko na. Sarap. Kain po tayo guys. Mainit pero kumakain ako ng sabaw. Ang sarap ng sabaw niya. Peas. Sarap. Oh my God. Manamis-namis siya kasi fresh yung gulay. Yung sitaw lang ang hindi fresh. Nasa freezer. Pero okay lang. Masarap pa rin. Mukbang tayo, dinengdeng. Pawis na pawis ako guys. Oh my God. Thank you Lord. Nakakain ulit ako ng dinengdeng. Ang sarap ng sabaw ng dinengdeng. Nabraw pala. Alam niyo masarap ang sitaw sa inabraw. Alam niyo kahit wala ng bago, masarap pa din. Salt lang nilagay ko guys. Mukbang tayo. Dinengdeng. Maubos ko lahat to guys. Mm. Walang kanin. Ganyan lang siya. Hmm? Okay lang. Pawis na pawis ako guys, oh. Pinapawisan ako. Ganito ba naman kasarap ang pagkain? Thank you Lord, nakakain ulit ako. Yung kalunay pala, ay ano na yun? Bilunak pala yung ano. Ano na yung isa? Yung binigyan ni Yuki. Alugbati. Bilunak palang tawag namin guys. Bilunak. Pero yung iba kubay. Sa lugar namin bilunak. Hindi ko nilagyan ng shrimp. Sabi na ate, okay lang. Semi palapok yung nilagay. Ay, yung ginawa ko guys. At isa pa, ayaw ni Cheyenne ng shrimp. Ayun na. Simot. Naubos. Thank you. Ini. My God, thank you. Naubos ko guys. Hello! Ito na. Nire-reheat ko na yung sauce natin para sa palabok. Dumaan na yung bus and tawag nito, yan. By, ano na ito, ilagay ko yung mga plato-plato. Okay. And gumawa ako nito guys. Paborito ng mga anakis ngayong taglamig. Dessert. Custard. Maganda kasi kumain guys pag ano mainit. Malamig kasi yan pag ano pag nailagay sa ref. So ito na yung sauce natin. Anong oras na? Andyan na yung mga bata. Dumaan na eh. Last day ni Kian sa school guys. Si Shaya next week pa. Ano kayang ibalita ng bata? Dito na sila. Dito na sila guys. Nilagay ko ito kasi pag gabi ino-open namin ito, nilalagay namin yung hose para hindi papasok yung lamok. Hi kids! Les, why you sad?
He's mad because he wants his teachers.
Huh?
I miss my teachers.
You miss your teacher? Next year.
Allah. Okay, what?
Next year,
Mommy, guess how I did?
Wait, one by one.
next year I want to do the English and the
I did my
Arabic.
exams. Yeah, don't you want to?
Next year I want to do the English and the Arabic.
Next year, hala, in October. Yala, put na your bag, remove your t-shirt, put your short, and then wash your hands, and eat your food.
Today I finished this next week. Okay, so we had Arabic today.
You make well?
Yes, the Arabic was good. I did the the comprehension and grammar together. And then second Haida, I did physics.
Mm.
They didn't give me the graph. I was studying the graph the whole time, but they gave me this one.
Oh, you make well or no?
Yes, and they gave me the electric circuit and the law of uniqueness and intensity.
Mm.
And then we had English grammar. I memorized in the recess the English again. And in religion,
Mm.
they asked the how many journeys did Paul went through.
Mm.
I put 3, and they did. I told you they didn't ask for the days.
It's okay. The rosary.
And then they asked what is the relationship of Namatullah Al-Hardani
And Saint Charbel?
I said Namatullah Hardani is the teacher of Saint Charbel, and Saint Charbel is one of his students. They gave us a text, and we have to answer from the text.
Okay, what is this?
Palabok.
So delicious.
Yes, palabok. Yala, it's your first time to eat Haida. I make it well.
Is it like macaroni?
Yes, try it. Wait, I'm making the sauce.
So I do.
You need mama.
Oh, I want egg. Haida, mine.
Yes,
Where's Teta? Teta's not here.
you want to Beirut. I don't know if she's with them.
Sleep where? Whose house? Put me.
Wait, Haida, we put in top. Wait.
Wait, can I just try dry?
How I clap? Hey, how I clap so like it.
Yeah, happy na si Kian.
All people, شو happy? He was literally crying second recess.
Yeah.
Because he will miss his teacher.
You will see them, mama. Happy uncle. Before you do Haida.
It's so simple.
La, not
And
yet,
no
mama.
taste.
You will taste Haida. Don't hala.
Wait.
Yala, about to. Niragit ko kasi. Yala.
Can something change their mind?
Ito na guys. Kiyan, la the volume. Yala ta. Thank you.
Do you mix it?
Yeah.
You mix it? I think you put it too much. Because look.
You can put more.
Oh, okay. Now the eggs. I love this egg. One more. Okay, good. Can't stop there. Also, mommy's supposed to sit there. You want to sit in my place? I want to sit next to Kian Aslan. Where do I put the camera?
Yala, try the wala tayong chicharon. Pero okay lang.
Okay, Anna, I taste. Taste this.
Lagyan ko sana ng green onion. Pero ayaw nila ng green onion. For decoration ba? Okay lang yan. Garnish. Tiyo! Like it? Gusto nila.
I'm gonna eat this every night.
Every night daw. Diyos ko.
Not even every night. All day. Morning, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Semi-palabok. Thank you, ate, sa turo mo.
This is normal.
Normal daw kay boy. Kay bunso. Jo, you like it, Kiyan?
Yes.
Sa 10, mama.
normal.
Taste normal.
Tastes delicious. Better than the actual macaroni and noodles.
Oh, that means you won't eat noodles anymore.
Bro.
Ang sarap, guys.
Mommy, today.
This is what?
Meat.
Delicious.
Mommy, today when Ate goes to Heda, can we go to buy Heda ice cream?
Ay, mama. Go to supermarket to buy ice cream. Kain po tayo.
has schedule for Tuesday.
Kain tayo, guys.
I think I have math on Tuesday.
Ay, nagustuhan nila ang palabok. What can you say may palabok?
Very delicious.
This is
This is
Filipino
normal.
food.
This is normal.
Normal daw. Masarap sana kung may chicharon, pero okay lang yan.
It's delicious with what?
Chicharon.
What's
The
that?
crunchy.
Mommy?
Ah!
Mommy, can you fill this?
Yes. Where is your butter? Ito na yung palabok. Semi-palabok.
You know the chicharon, you can only find it in buses.
Yes.
They sell it in bus.
Lala ni siya yan. Buzz.
Hey, I'm telling you, when you go to Manila or to the Nabakayan, they always sell this at night.
Terminal.
What is this?
Kain po tayo guys. Let's eat po. Kain.
Today was the easiest tests. Okay, so I have math, biology, history, Arabic, and French. But I didn't print out the biology.
Except tomato.
Mas ano?
G.
The
Three more
sauce,
eggs.
the sauce with it does not change the taste.
Three more? Is there more?
What? The sauce?
Yes, I can add. You know, this is like what they put in the soup noodles. Delicious.
Okay, I removed my feet. I removed my feet. And
You know, the assistant, the madam, she started being nice to me.
Yeah.
I didn't know. But I acted normally and I didn't like it.
Why?